Myself, Suganya VS. I completed MCOM MPhil. I am working as a assistant professor in Department of Commerce at St. Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women. Here I am going to talk about Payment of Bonus Act 1965. Objectives of the Payment of Bonus Act 1965. It aims to regulate the amount of bonus to be paid to the persons employed in establishment based on its profit and productivity, to impose a legal responsibility upon the employer of every establishment covered by the act to pay the bonus to employees, to designate the minimum and maximum percentage of bonus, the prescribe the formula for calculating bonus, to provide redress mechanism. Applicability of payment of the Bonus Act 1965. Under the section of the Act, it's specified that the payment of Bonus Act is applicable to the whole India. It applies to any factor or establishment which had 20 or more workers employed on any day during the year. The Act does not apply to the non-profit making organization. It's not applicable to establishments such as LIC, hospitals, which are the excluded under section 32. It's not applicable to establishment where employees have signed an agreement with the employer. It's not applicable to establishment exempted by the appropriate government like sick units. According to the Bonus Act, the different departments or undertaking or branches of an establishment of whether located in eligibility. Section 8. Every employee receiving salary or wage up to 21,000 per month engaged in any kind of work, whether skilled, unskilled, managerial, manual, supervisory, administrative, technical or clerical work for hire or reward, etc., is entitled to bonus for every accounting year, whether the terms of employment to be express or implied. Only he has worked for at least 30 working days in the year. Section 2, subsection 10. The section 2, subsection 13 defines employees. Section 32. Act not apply to certain classes of employee employed by employees of the General Insurance Company, LIC, central or state government establishments, Indian Red Cross Society, universities and educational institutions, hospitals, chambers of commerce, Reserve Bank of India, Industrial Finance Corporation of India, Unit Trust of India, and all other financial corporation established under section 3, or any joint financial corporation established under section 3A of State Financial Corporation Act 1951. Social welfare institution, local bodies, etc., are not entitled to bonus under the Act. What they are paid as bonus is ex gratia payment. Section 2, subsection 13. Apprentice is not eligible for bonus. Bonus is payable only annually and it can't be directed to be paid an off-yearly basis. When an employee is not eligible for statutory bonus but the company wants to share bonus, it can be given as ex criteria. An employee in the following cases is also entitled to bonus. The temporary workman on the basis of total number of the day worked by him. An employee of a seasonal factory is entitled proportion proportionate bonus and not minimum bonus as prescribed by the act. The part-time employee as a sweeper engaged on the regularly basis. A retrenchment employee provided he has worked for minimum qualifying period. The is an employee and as such as entitled to bonus. The dismissed employee reinstated with back wages entitled to bonus. Section 9. Disqualification for bonus. An employee shall be disqualified from receiving bonus if he dismissed from service for fraud or riotous of violent behavior while in the premises of the establishment, or theft, misappropriation, or sabotage of any property of the establishment. Section 10. Minimum bonus. The minimum bonus which an employer is required to pay even if he suffer losses during the accounting year or there is no allocable surplus is 8.33% of salary or wages of the employee during the accounting year. Rupees 100 in case of employees above 15 years and rupees 60 rupees in case of employees below 15 years, whichever is higher. Maximum bonus. If in any accounting year, the allocable surplus exceed the amount of minimum bonus, the employer shall pay bonus in proportion to salary wages earned by the employee during that accounting year, subject to maximum of 20% of such salary or wages. Section 22. Mode and time for payment. Bonus should be paid in cash and within 8 months from the close of accounting year. Bonus is payable only annually since the financial year in India ends in March. Payments have to be made by the end of November of the next financial year. Rights to employee. Right to claim bonus payable under the Act and that make an application to government for the recovery of bonus due and unpaid within 1 year of its becoming due. Right to refer and dispute to labor court. Tribunal employees to whom Payment of Bonus Act does not apply can't raise a dispute regarding bonus under the Industrial Dispute Act. Right to seek clarification and obtain information on any item in the account of establishment. Time limit for payment. Time limit for payment is specified in section 19 of the Payment of Bonus Act 1965. Section 19. Time limit for payment of bonus payable to an employee by way of bonus under the Act shall be paid in cash of his employer, where there is dispute regarding payment of bonus pending before the authority under the section 22 within a month from date on which the award becoming enforceable or settlement comes into operation in respect of such disputes. In any other case, within a period of either months from the close of the accounting year. Key points: the bonus should be paid in cash within 1 month from the date of enforcement of the award or coming into operation of a settlement following an industrial dispute regarding payment of bonus, or within 8 months from the close of accounting year. However, if there is sufficient cause, intention may be applied for. Penalty and absence. Penalties are deal with the section 28 of the Payment of Bonus Act 1965. Penalty: if any person contravenes any of provisions of the act, any rule made thereunder, or to whom direction is given, or any requisition is made under his act, fail to comply with the direction or requisition, he shall be punishable, and imprisonment of term which may extend to 6 months, or which fine which may extend to 1000 rupees, or with both. Calculation of bonus. Calculate the statutory bonus. Meaning, statutory bonus means bonus payable as for the statute. The payment of bonus act, as per the act, an amount equal to be 8.33% of the basic plus dearness allowances paid to an employee who is eligible for bonus to be paid irrespective of availability of surplus or profit. The Payment of Bonus Act 1965 gives to the employee the statutory to share to profit of his employer. Thank you.